It's the time of the night when I don't know what's going to happen. So we have two W's, becomes 2W. But if you have W times W, it becomes W square. The two twos there, no. Let's say there's a book called Catch 22. I read 80 pages of, about around 80 pages, and it was so funny, I couldn't read anymore. It was so funny. But 2 to the power 3 is 8, and that times 10 is 80. And to get 10 out of 10 on anything, you just have to have two tens. And when you have 10 to the power 10, it is close to what was mentioned when I was at school as the number of stars in the universe, which is just a random number. Somebody liked 22 and 10 and thought this, that, whatever. Because stars are countless. It's so obvious. Just most obvious. But maybe infinite. No, not infinite. In an expanding universe, countless would mean not worth counting. Yeah. And that is beautiful. So I saw some stars tonight, and one was, let's just say, 500 million times the distance of the Earth from the Sun, which is about 150 million. I forget the unit, yeah. Kilometers, SI units. Meters, a meter's SI unit. 150 million. I remember calculating that light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach from the sun to the earth, and the speed of light is approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Actually, it is exactly, I love this number, 299792458 meters per second, which is almost this, yeah. So it was 150 million to 123 meters or kilometers. Figure it out. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But definitely kilometers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Wait. It's night time. I'm losing my train of thought. 3. That's million. That's 3. Okay, I got the zeros right. So 6 zeros make a million. And then we had kilometers changed to meters. Then we have 150. So I'm on the right track. And the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Zeros vanish. No, it must have been meters. So we have 5,000. Can't be. Something is amiss. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 5,000 seconds is too long for the number I know is true, because it's about 8 minutes. So let's just backtrack, yeah? Just say 8 minutes 20 seconds from clear memory. So 8 minutes is that many seconds plus 20. That's about 500 seconds. That means I made a calculation error somewhere, yeah? Let's figure this out. Let's use a different marker. Go with black. Black is good, yeah? So 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers, that looks right. Then 1 to 3, 1 to 3. That's 3 into 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then each zero on the numerator, the bit on top, distance. Each zero for a zero on the denominator. Time is equal to distance by speed. Often learned as a triangle, actually. Have a distance speed time triangle. Distance speed time. So we have, let's clear this up, yeah? Make this a little more and use a color that is, okay, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. Finally, it makes sense. Only 2 zeros remaining. 500 seconds for light to reach the Earth from the Sun. Time is relative. That's another story. Because the faster you move, the slower time moves. It's a beautiful story I read and verified hypothetically, because when something is moving at a speed comparable to speed of light, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers per second, to put into perspective, is the speed of light. And say you move, something moves at this speed, kilometers per second, 1 second for this person, 1 second. The faster you move, the slower time moves. Yeah. Is 2 seconds for someone not moving. So this is our frame of reference, yeah? C, speed of light in vacuum. So 50% of speed of light, and actually 67.5% speed of light. This is not the right number. So you would think 67.5% of speed of light. Speed of light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, calculator call, but let it pass, yeah. So at that speed, maybe around 200,000, yeah. Because 200,000 kilometers per second is about 67% the speed of light. Time would just be slower. And with reference to stationary, not moving, because relativity, reminds me of an Esker painting. That's whatever.com. Esker relativity. It's wonderful. A work of art by Esker, who kind of made all this infinite staircase sort of thing, where kind of an optical illusion keeping on moving, which is different from Einstein's relativity, where the clearest framework is that speed of light, this speed here, is constant with reference to everything. All vacuum. It's not oversimplified, but the idea is that, say, you're in a spacecraft that's moving at, say, 20 kilometers per second, going to Mars, yeah? And someone turns the torch on, something like that. So the speed of light from, say, on Earth, where there's no spacecraft moving, would be c, and instead of being c plus 20 on the spacecraft, the speed of light would just be c, and the c instead of c plus 20 is what makes the magic happen. It's beautiful. That's why we can see the light. Tonight, as I phase out of today, bye.